Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to Trading Recap day number 10. Today we didn't end up taking any trades because our bias, or not our bias, our confluences didn't end up getting hit. We had a fair value gap retracement right here that didn't end up getting hit, and we had two of our draws on liquidity get taken out. So that basically, like this move up just knocked us out of trading for the entire day. But what was good is we had a good bias. We had sweep of Asian lows here right after London market open, and then we had this one actually doesn't matter anymore. And then after market open, we had a sweep of 15-minute lows here and hourly lows here. And then after that, we had a break of structure above this high right here. And then after the break of structure, price just went up, took out a hourly high right here and London session highs right here. So after this happened, I still was looking to trade because these are really close highs, which is basically the same value as just like one high almost. And I would have ideally looked to target here and here, which do end up getting hit. And the only way I would have looked to target that is if we got a retracement from this point and then down to the fair value gap, a break of structure on the 1 minute, and then price would have pushed higher and it would have gone and taken out highs all the way up here. So if we just look at the potential to be made today, if we had a push into the gap, say like a breaks like here, we had a stop loss, like maybe had a stop loss down here. Yeah, 3.6 and a 6.36. That's all like potential, not real, like that we actually would have made, but like it is what we could have made if we had a push on into here. But yeah, basically it's just no trades today. The strategy is like I done more backtesting now than before, and all the losses I've taken or like recorded on this channel, they've been because of my like psychology and taking like weak strategical entries. And most of the times when I don't trade, it's also because of my psychology, like and my strategy. But like Thursday, I didn't trade because I was too scared to enter. And yesterday, I took a loss because I was too like eager to actually get into the markets and take a trade. So yeah, it's just a little off because you can see the fair value gap gets reversed like right here. So it's not ideal. But once I finish like getting at least 6 months of backtesting data on this strategy, I'm gonna be trying out another one that can potentially allow me to trade more, but with a lower win rate that I can just like experiment and dabble in with when it's time to go and do the funded account. Because I was like looking at some stuff with like alpha futures, and it was saying how like literally you need a 50% consistency rule on the eval, and then like for a standard account, and then once you get to a actual like qualified account, it needs to go down to 40%. But if I qualify it on an advanced account, there's no consistency rule, which means I can take as big of wins as I want and I can just up my risk as much as I want. Which that's definitely going to be what we're going to do. Well, honestly, I don't even know if I would need that, but I think I do need that for to take profits out. I need to research that, but yeah, ideally we try to do the advanced account. And then once we make enough money from the 50K account, we move on to the, I think it's 250K account or 150K or 200K. I'd forget, honestly, for the features, alpha trading. Um, yeah, but that is probably it. Really short video today. It's kind of hard to like stretch out the videos when I don't take trades and there's like nothing else to really happen. So everything, like literally everything hit today besides my retracement. Like everything was in line. Like my bias was in line, good sweep of liquidity, break of structure. We just didn't get into this fair value gap. And like maybe you could be like, oh yeah, there's equilibrium here. Like right here, pushes in, then pushes higher, and then you could take a trade off this target here. Like you can't even target there because that's already been hit. But like, or maybe like here even, like high here, low. Actually, you need a low and a high. So yeah, this definitely wouldn't have worked with EQ. Anyways, but I wouldn't have even looked at that even if this high hadn't been taken out, because when there's a fair value gap available for price to retrace into, I don't look for EQ, because the issue with that is if you enter off of like EQ right here, price could easily just go down and want to take out this fair value gap and then push higher. And when you're trading off of EQ, you'd have your stop loss here. So as you can see, that would result in you actually getting stopped out, which isn't like good. You don't want that to happen. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you need help with anything trading wise, leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recaps. I'm willing to help with like anything trading related. If you guys like want me to explain my strategy and how I actually like trade, I can do that too. Just leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for our weekly analysis.